Okay, so today we're going to be connecting our Windows Server 2019 to our Windows 10 client machine. So first things first, you want to go down to your network and then right click on it, then open network and internet settings. Then you want to go to the Ethernet and then you want to go to change adapter options. Then you want to right click on this and go to properties. And once you're here, you're going to wait for it to load and then go to IPv4 and then press OK. And then press properties. Okay, and then you want to, it's going to be set to obtain an IP address automatically, but you want to have it set to use the following IP address. And what you're going to do is you're going to type 192.168.0.1. The subnet mask is going to calculate for itself. Your default gateway is going to be the same as the IP address, and use the following DNS server. You're going to have it set to 192.168.0.2, and then you're going to press OK. Right, now once you know that, you're going to go to change advanced sharing options, and you're going to want to have turn network discovery on in the private section, as well as turn on file and printer sharing. And in the desktop public, you want to turn on network discovery, as well as turn on file and printer sharing. And in all networks, you want to turn on sharing so anyone with the network access can read and write files in the public folders. But however, in password protected sharing, you want to turn that off. Now, there's going to be a problem when this is going to switch off automatically. So in order to prevent that, what you want to do is you want to close it out and then go to Task Manager, and then you're gonna go to Services and then Open Services, and we're gonna look for the DNS client. It's running. If it isn't running, you just right click on it, right, and then you go to Properties, and then this may be set to disabled or manual. What you want to do is that you want to click on automatic and then apply and then start it, and once this little bar loads up, you can press OK. Next, we're going to look for SSDP discovery. Again, right click. It's going to either be set to manual or disabled by default, so all you're going to do is set it to automatic, click on apply, start, and when I press start, this bar is going to load up and it's started, and then you're going to press OK. The next function is the function discovery provider. It's running at the moment, so same thing applies. We're going to right click, go to properties. It's going to be set to either manual or disabled by default, so you press this drop down box, set it to automatic, press apply, and then start, and this bar is going to load up and start, and then you press to start it, and then you press OK. The next thing is UPnP devices. So same thing applies here. You go to properties, it's either going to be set to manual or disabled, so what you want to do is set it to automatic, and then press apply and then start, and then the bar is going to load up, and then you press OK. And once you have done that, what you want to do is go back to your network settings, and then the device, and then network discovery should stay on. Okay, so yeah, after you do that, network discovery should stay on. Yep, it stays on. Yeah. Okay, and now once you have finished setting up your server, we are now going to set up the network settings for our Windows 10 machine. So you can right click on this and then press open network and internet settings. Okay, once it's up, we go to Ethernet, change adapter options, and then you're going to right click on Ethernet and then go to properties. Then you're going to click on IPv4 and then go to properties and use this following IP address. Okay, so for our server machine, our server, right, we had the IP address set to 0.1 and the preferred DNS server set to 0.2. This is like the link, so the IP address for this one is actually going to be 0.2. Subnet mask is going to calculate for itself. This is going to be the same, and this is where we link our server machine, the server machine IP to our IP. So the preferred DNS server is going to be 0.1, which would be our server machine. 0 and 1, and we're going to press OK. Okay, 0.2, subnet mask calculate for itself, 0.2, and then okay. And then we go to change advanced sharing options. And then we go to private, turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, guest or public. It's going to turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, and for all networks, I'm going to turn on sharing and then turn off password protected sharing. Alright, and then once you have made those changes, you just, in order to check, you can go to your network folder and then you can see this is our Windows 10 client and this is our Windows server, and then we're going to switch over to the Windows 10. This is the Windows 10 device and this is the server. And what we're going to do now is just ping both machines to just ensure. Okay, so this is our Windows 10 machine, so let's ping the server 192.168.0.1, and then we got a reply. And in order to just make sure everything is connected, you're just going to type in ipconfig/all. And a default gateway. Why is that default? Why is it doing that? It's a bit odd. Let's check on our. We did get a reply. now let's ping it again. Well, let's do the IP config again. Oops. Okay. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is just change the name of our computer. Okay, now we just restart in order to make the changes. And now we are going to change the name of the server as well. Okay, and now we are just going to restart. Okay, now that the VMs have restarted, I'm just going to check. We have our, this is on the server, we have our server and our Windows 10 being connected there, and now I'm just going to ping it one last time. So since we are on the server, I'm going to first ping the client. Oops. There we have our reply. Let's do a loop back. There we go. There's our ping. Okay, now we're going to go to the Windows 10, see if it's picking up. There is our server, and this is our Windows 10. And now I'm just going to ping. There we have our reply. Loop back, got our reply, and yep, that's it.